Roblox says 3 for 9. We're at foam wash. We're gonna get the top wash, Dad, right?
Yes.
Oh, the Mobil became a Shell gas station. You know it, Dad?
Yes, man.
Yeah, I know. There it is. Cover your work now. Oh, what's gonna go in there? Do you know what's gonna go in there? I'm not sure yet. We'll see.
It's gonna be a new sign there.
What sign?
I don't know, a new foam wash sign.
Are you gonna unveil it?
Unveil it sooner or later.
When it's finished, we'll come back here and take a picture of the sign. Right, Dad?
Yes.
Okay. Let's wait. Here we are.
What's good, brother? Good yourself?
Can I get the $25 wash?
Yeah.
What can I get for you?
The best wash you got.
The best one? Ceramic?
The $25 one.
Yeah, whatever it is, Mace.
Okay.
Yep, it's all good.
Are you interested in signing up for our unlimited plan at all?
No.
Not today, brother. It's probably only a couple dollars more.
It's actually for the first month, it's only $10.99.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper for at first, but then
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks, brother.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
Thank you. Okay, we got the best wash for $25. Here we go. Ready to get the wash started. Here we are. Here we go. Neutral, no brake. Here we go. Neutral, no brake. Neutral, no brakes. Oh, you just paid $25. Here we go. Oh. Oh. There we go. Up, here comes hot pre-soak. And here comes wheel cleaner as well. Here we are. And here comes wheel cleaner right there. And right there. Here's wheel cleaner. Go. And here comes the middle. And yep. And here goes the brushes. Comes underbody wash right there. Here comes a brush. Here comes more brushes. And here comes the Hot Wax Shine right there. As you can see. And here comes the Hot Wax. And here comes the better in. And here comes the rinse. Here comes ceramic. still there, but to be honest, here comes turbo dry, and here comes our rinse, and here comes the dryers. Here comes the Bellinger cannons as well. And here comes more dryers. And here comes dry and shine. Here comes the dry and shine. Right there. And there. And there. Here comes tire shine right there. And here comes the top brush. It's doing a great job so far. And go. Alright, thank you. And that's the wash. Thank you for watching. Bye. Here's the watch your step, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.